Zimdancehall Music Extravaganza segment. I'm going to be having so many guests today. About three to four guests will be passing through on this show. And I have got the champion, the person who won, who was the best singer at the Harare Cup Clash. The winner was not happy at truth. I told you trivia, in Changandina in studio, but minutes after the Baba. And after here, the Changandina Munga after the Munga food is always Zimdancehall Music. So many people want to know what happened at the City Sports Center. Believe me, because at the City Sports Center, this show only happens once every year, and this is the biggest show which happens in Zimbabwe. And I'll be giving you news. I'll also be playing new songs. Apart songs I ain't go to so I'm playing you these songs. I'll play you some tunes coming from Say Colors, Soldier Love, and all these tunes are brand new tunes, and I'll be playing them for you, until 6 p.m. So make sure you keep it locked to the don't even touch that dial, because starting from now, Zimdancehall Music, I don't even know what to say. I'm just excited. Tuba, kick down and done non-stop. The person who walked away with the trophy and the prize money, I was expecting to see a very big man, you say giant, but believe me. So go on the Facebook page, just go on the Zimdancehall Empire Facebook page. I'll be uploading a picture of the winner of the City Sports Center Cup Clash. It's a lady, it's a she. Oh boy. The WhatsApp platform 0731-168-045. That is the WhatsApp number. What do you think about Fyha Lady? Fyha Lady! The strength of a youth. This is Fyha Lady. Very young, very humble, very sweet as well. Jano star. Fyha Lady, live in living color CFM stereo. Yeah, pakaipa. Fyha Lady in the studio with me right about now. So right now I want to say, yes, Fyha Lady. What do you Fyha Lady? Chichi kunakidza na Fyha Lady.
Chiri kunakidza maweeks.
Lambo kubvunza chokutanga, une makore mangani?
Tine makore 10.
Ne 10 years. Unodzanisira kuchari chari kubereko?
Nonzi Tanyaradzwa Rota.
Okay. Ndiwo wakaimba ku City Sports Center ukawina. I mean urunzwa sei nekuina kwawakaita kunda varume vese vaida kuimba ita kuina mukombo wakawina.
Ndiri kunzwa kufara chaizvo.
Urunzwa kufara chaizvo. Wakatanga kuimba une makore mangani?
Ndatanga kuimba ndine 8 years.
8 years. Ndiani akaita kuti ude zvokufarira kuimba? Sei wakada kuita zvekuimba?
Zvekuimba ndakazvidzidzisa pandakangobheko. Ndakadzidziswa pandakangobheko bamunini wangu wachiimba kanonzi mangu.
Bamunini wako ndazvokuimba? Okay, so waringotedzera matsimba abamunini wako? So uchifarira kuimba Zimdancehall music. Wakadi kuimba kana gospel?
Zimdancehall ndoifarira nekuti mune vanhu vazhinji vanoimba zvinonakidza muZimdancehall.
Handiti. Tida kukorokotedza nokuina kwakatambairwa kuCity Sports Center. Zvinhu zvinofadza sei kuona mwana ane 10 years achikunda varume vakuru vanenge variko vakatarisirwa kuina mubairo. Zvinhu zvinongoshamisa. It's a good thing because ndo future chine Zimdancehall music. Saka ana Lipsy nana Darula nana Empress Chele mongwarira kuzi Fyha Lady vapindira mugame chakatochaya. Andiziye Fyha Lady une masongs mangana wakarekoda mustudio chaiwo?
Ndine 12.
Ne 12 masongs? Awakarekoda?
Aiwa,
unorekodera mastudios api?
Ndorekodera ku Sport.
Sport.
Neku Good Life Music.
Good Life Music.
Nekumwe futi kwandaimborekoda Popcorn Records.
Okay. Alright. Unoenda kuchikoro here Fyha Lady?
Ndinoenda.
Uri grade ani?
Ndiri grade 5.
Grade 5. Unodzidza kupi?
Ndodzidza kwaMurewa.
KwaMurewa? Unogara kupiwo?
KwaMurewa ndogara Karoti.
Unogara kwaMurewa? Saka pawangoya kuCity Sports Center kuzocontestate paclash? Holiday futi. Okay, it's a good thing, it's a good thing. Big up to you, Fyha Lady. Big up to you, Fyha Lady. I say this again. Big up to you, Fyha Lady. So too bad. I want you to play me 2 tracks coming from Fyha Lady. 2 tracks. And then after that, she'll come and give us a freestyle and give us a little bit of information about where she is heading as far as music is concerned. ZFM Stereo, my station, your station, broadcasting live on New Orleans studios. And we've got Fyha Lady in the studio. It's going down. It's crazy. Mad shellings in the afternoon. Kick that one later. Yes, father, yes, my selector, ZFM Stereo, my station, your station, broadcasting live at our New Orleans studios. And I've got Fyha Lady in the studio, my special guest for this year's segment. Alright, Fyha Lady, unomanage kwa nani? Unimanagement area, unomanage ndiani?
Manager wangu anonzi True Squad.
Ndio na manager, Fyha Lady, 10 years, what na manage? Yeah, man, anza nzaraki?
True Squad.
Alright. Unokwaza kuti kwa contact details kuita vanhu vaya vanoda kushanda newe, vanoda kukudedzana magig awe, phone number, yokuti iwe unokwanisa kubatika sei iwe. Una phone number? Number za manager. Number za tipo phone number za manager wako. 0783 468 070. Alright, tinokutina nekufura kwaita neuno kuZFM Stereo chiombotiona uchitiudzawo nyaya dzako nekuchikorokotedzawo nokuina kwakaita kuCity Sports Center. Ezvinezvi hatisina nguva yedu yapera, matatokumbira kuti motipo ka freestyle uzoti maartist inoona kuimba kaya ngotipo ka freestyle vanambonzoka akapera uchiimba.
Pageto and me square, Pageto and Chiki square. Ndine Fyha Lady, me no light up the thing, put up the bling, mash up the bling, ne wanna know. Ndine patani, pamangoma ndine kambani, and me square na satani, and defenda Buddha mufashani, ndine patani, pamangoma ndine kambani, and me square na satani, and defenda Buddha mukambani. Ndida wasemi wagwan, muri say me kanjan, ndini kwini ya kufaya zan, anorowa heavy madigong, tazoti waya we madimon, vasingade kutindende John, rendoru no manjamundi goni, makajaira. Big up Abisha Palma, True Squad, Mango.
Yeah, man, thank you so much, Fyha Lady, for passing through ZFM Stereo Studios. Wish you all the best in your music. Out, Jenny. Yeah, man, big up the P Squad, everything. As I do remember, ZFM Stereo, my station, your station. Will take some time to bring forth new talent, new voices. Yeah, man, trust me on the music industry. That was Fyha Lady. Yeah, man, she was just passing through and telling us what happened at City Sports Center. Yeah, man, wish you all the best. So until we meet again, I'm sure we will meet again, definitely. The 2016 Cup Clash winner, Fyha Lady. Big up to you, real.